Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your Shopify background color in Shopify Dawn Theme. So what you'll need to do is go to your store and click on Edit Theme. Then what you'll need to do is go right here to the theme settings, then select colors. Select the theme 1 because it will be the primary color to edit your background and etc. And then you'll see background right here. So I chose right now a gradient, but you can choose another one. Like let's say I will remove the gradient right now and choose the solid color. So I can choose whatever I like to choose from these colors. And then what you'll need to do when you select the right color that you prefer, just click on save and then refresh your store and you'll see that it changes. So if this video was helpful for you guys, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.